Hello and welcome to Stream Battlecards. In this little tutorial I'm going to show you how to properly set up Stream Battlecards for your stream. So if you start Stream Battlecards from your Steam library, it will start up with this screen asking you to connect to your Twitch account. This allows the game to listen to your chat messages so that viewers can interact with the game. So authorize the Twitch Battlecards app and you are being brought back to the control panel screen, and you now have the option to copy this URL to add Stream Battlecards into your OBS. So we just copy this address and go over to Open Broadcast Studio. Then you click on adding another source, and this is going to be a browser source. So let's say this is going to be Stream Battlecards test. And then we replace the URL with the URL that was just copied. For the width and the height, we add 1920 to 1080 pixels. And there is one important additional setting, which is deactivate when the source is not visible. So we check this and click on OK. As you can see in the background, the control panel changed. It registered that the stream overlay is active, and now we see a bunch of mobs here, or the option to go to Battle Royale, switch between Battle Royale and the classic mode. But I first want to tell about why we set this little check mark. So in normal case, it's advised to start Stream Battlecards before OBS, because every time you start OBS and your Stream Battlecards source is active, it tries to load the game overlay, and if Stream Battlecards has not been started yet, it can't load the overlay. So if you start Stream Battlecards after OBS, you may wonder why it has no effect, or just the same thing as if I now click on the eye to deactivate it, why the overlay does not connect. But now that we have set this little check mark, we can click on the eye and it automatically reconnects. So if you forgot to start Stream Battlecards before OBS, it's no problem. Just deactivate the eye and then reactivate it, so OBS will reload the page and you are good to go. So to now spawn some monsters in your stream, you simply need to click on the monsters you want to spawn, or start a Battle Royale with the settings you have been shown on this Battle Royale tab. So just for a simple example, let's say we spawn a Raptorling and an Aggro Dragon baby. So now you can see we have these two cards right in OBS. I can drag the source around, so you can have any kind of stream or game content in the background, and Stream Battlecard plays on top. You can now join the fight through the chat of your own channel by entering !fight. This is the core setup, and for everyone who is already in the affiliate or partner program of Twitch, you can also add some channel points commands under the channel points tab here. And creating these channel point rewards is very easy. So for the moment I'm going to disable the overlay so that you can see the whole screen. To create a custom channel point reward so that players can control the whole game from from your stream automatically without you having to do anything. You need to go to your Twitch control panel and go to channel points and rewards. So in this section we have the individual rewards, and you just click on create new individual reward and you give it a name from whichever reward you want to create. For example, the object reward, so that your players can buy objects during community battles. So you type in, for example, Battlecards item, whichever description you want, the amount you want to have as a price, add some images and the background color and maybe additional settings depending on your likes. I'm not going to do this for the moment because I already have such a reward, which is this one with a description, a price, a few icons. I have no additional settings for cooldowns for the items, and after you saved it, you immediately have these rewards available on your channel. So in order to activate the reward, you just click on the button and then it is waiting for you to activate this reward. So you head over to your channel and then click on the rewards icon, and then you activate the reward you want to connect with a certain action. So I want to activate Battlecards item, yes. And if we go back to Stream Battlecards, we now see this blue notification is gone and we can remove this reward again. So this is now connected and everyone can activate the object reward using this reward button. It goes the same for all the other rewards. So pick whichever you like to enable for your viewers or remove it again. So this is pretty much all you need to know to get started with Stream Battlecards. I wish you a lot of fun and stream activity with the game. Bye bye.